Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. I start every single video like this now at the beach in the morning, but I do it for good reason because it makes me feel incredible. I'm just walking the beach right now before I go to the gym. It's just my morning ritual, man. Why switch it up on these videos if this is exactly what I do, you know? Filming the journey, showing you guys what I'm up to. Being outside in nature, breathing in that air, it's one of my favorite things of all time. So let's walk and talk.
Finding what you had in mind and seizing
How artsy.
moments and the tides.
There's something about being near the ocean. Growing up, I always said, oh, I cannot wait to live in New York City. That's like my dream. And that faded away the more life went on. Being near nature, in my opinion, is like crucial. It helps me think better. It makes me more productive, and it just allows me to kind of disconnect when I need to. As long as I'm near some type of nature, I'm good. I also just got my foot soaked by the water right there. So that's good. Thing I like to do. Whoa! Fuck. One thing I like to do, get some water on the face in the morning. We wait for it to rise. Here we go. Maybe not.
And seizing the moments and the tides.
There's something about soaking up the face with some ocean water. Gets me fired up in the morning, especially because it's freezing. So as I'm going to the car, I thought to myself, the sun's out, it's around 30 degrees. It feels like a summer day right now. So we might have to go in the ocean before the gym. I can't even talk right now because my face is so cold. Sun's out, it's like a summer day. I just hit some breath work up at that spot right there, had the view, had the ocean, waves crashing on the shore. Felt incredible, feeling incredible. Now, it's really time to hit the ocean, and then we're off to the gym. Also had to get a coat on because it's a little cold today. Oh yeah, it's like a summer day. That's all you gotta tell yourself. It feels like 80 degrees out. I'm so warm right now. Well, nothing to wait for. Let's go get chilly. We are feeling good. Now it is time for the gym. Dumbbell bench press.
Hey,
Chest supported rows.
I had to get my numbers up. Now I got it like they gave it to me, but I took it, they ain't give it to me.
We're feeling good. We're getting it done. Let's keep it going.
God knew it for me. Yeah, it really fit. It's a shoe-in for me. I started hooping for the Nike check. I play tennis for the Rolex. I be in Miami, never seen a beach.
Workout is done. We are going back home. Start your day with some movement. It'll change everything for you. All right, off to the house. All right, guys, we just hit the shower. This is something new right here. So this is a shower filter. It takes out all the chlorine, all the bullshit that we find in our tap water. So if you're ever looking for a water filter for your shower, super easy to put on. You can get this on Amazon, Aqua Youth. So check that out. Also check out what's in your tap water, especially in the shower, because we're consuming all that through our skin. So putting you guys on. Shower is done. We got a slick back going on right now, but this is what I do after every shower. Us Greeks love our olive oil. Raw goat cheese, baby, that's the way. Different kind of vibe we got going on today. So typically what I'll do is I'll do in-person shoots on the weekend. That's kind of how I roll, especially with real estate shoots. It's a nice little side income that I do when I'm not at my computer. So we are heading to Boston for the day. I was just in Boston this past weekend, but we are going back for 2 shoots, and I might even just work there for the day. We'll see what happens, but we're rolling, we're getting it done. It is a new week. All right, guys, just wrapped up the shoots. It's about 1 o'clock. Now I'm actually gonna head back to the Cape. I'm not even gonna work from Boston. Get back in my zone. So we are off. We got a lot to do today, but Monday, we're getting it done. All right, guys, we are back from Boston. Had that trip over there for 2 real estate shoots. Now I'm gonna be on the computer for probably the rest of the day. So gonna get on with that. Back at the computer, changed, comfortable, gonna lock in for a few more hours, get some work done, and then finishing off the day. My favorite thing to do is the ocean. So, gonna get on with that. Hello there. It is about 6:20 now. Gonna wrap up what I'm doing, and you know what? The weather's starting to get nice out. As you can see, I'm excited. As I'm looking outside, it's like you can hear the birds chirping. It's starting to get warmer here, so needless to say, I'm excited about that. We're gonna go down to the ocean. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go. This is my spot. There's like, I have not found a place. I can't even talk right now because it's so beautiful.
I know I haven't been perfect, but give it some time. There's not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind. And we spend our lives looking for things we can't find. Oh, but not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind.
This place, fantastic. Can't get enough of it. I'm wrapping up the day. I had a quick point I wanted to bring up because as I'm filming my journey, as I'm filming my days, life is happening, of course, and we're not just staying still. So I want to keep you guys updated, give you any insights from the week. Big lesson that I had from this past week, go the extra mile. And that's not in a sense of fitness, it's actually in a sense of doing more than you're asked to do. So there was a certain situation where I had proposed what I could offer for my services. And a proposal is great for someone that's interested, right? Yes, it is. But how many proposals is that person getting? Probably quite a few with whatever you're offering them. For them to make a switch or for them to even give you an opportunity to work with whoever that person is or that company is, they gotta trust in your work. How do you build trust? You go the extra mile. And for me, that extra mile was doing something that was not even asked for. I just had something pop into my mind one night and I executed on that and I sent it out. But let's just say that me going that extra mile paid massive, massive dividends in my life, in my business. And I'm just extremely grateful that I took the initiative and I took that kind of intuitive feeling. Something was telling me, do this, stand out from the crowd. So all in all, I guess what I'm trying to say is find ways to always stand out from the crowd. Because if everyone's doing the same shit, what makes you different? I do everything in my power to show my value, to show that I'm worthy of whatever I am going after. I'm ending it off on that note, guys. Going down to the beach here. This is my spot. We are grateful for another beautiful day, grateful for another week. Guys, crush the f***ing week, get it done. I'm excited for what's to come. It's amazing when you start taking action because life just becomes extremely exciting. You just never know what's gonna come like the next week. It's when you plant seeds, that's when life becomes exciting. Because out of nowhere, you might get an email that has something exciting in it, who knows? But other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. Yeah, life is good. I'm excited to keep it rolling, keep it going. But other than that, much love. I will talk to you guys very soon. For now, signing off from the Cape. Gonna enjoy these last bits of sunshine. We'll see you later.